My name is Brenda Bloodgood, and I'm an assistant professor in the Division of Biological Sciences at UCSD. We came up with this idea for a way that we could visualize the regulation of the genome, and this requires building a new optical tool. And the Center for Brain Activity Mapping funded the initial efforts to get this tool off the ground. Everybody is very familiar with the expression nature versus nurture, and what this implies is that we have genes in our cells that give the cell or the organism some intrinsic ability to function. But we know that we're all very influenced by our environment and by our experiences. What this tool will allow us to do is visualize proteins that are regulating the genome in neurons that are highly active in an animal's brain while that animal is learning how to do something. One of the things that I'd love to be able to do is take what we learn and apply it to people that are struggling with neurodevelopmental disorders or neuropsychiatric disorders. Children that have autism, they may have difficulty paying attention to certain things or stopping paying attention to other things. And this really boils down to some subtle perturbations in how their brain is wired up. And so if we can understand how to tap into that child's behavior and use their own behavior to engage the plasticity mechanisms in their own brain to help rewire the circuitry in their brain, then perhaps we can tap into strategies for curing or at least reducing the negative impacts of autism without medication or without pharmacology that may have deleterious consequences independent of how their brain is working. By understanding the basic biology of how a person's brain reacts to the environment, we can really begin to target that biology in a therapeutic way. I would really like to thank you for supporting our research and having confidence in our efforts to both push forward our research agenda in understanding how the brain works, and for having confidence in our ability to contribute to the health and well-being of humanity. Thank you.